Good morning, guys. We're at the doctor's office, heading in. I need 2 hands. Stop, please. Hey, hand me the lid. What are you eating? Hi guys, so we're back from the doctor. We actually just went to the doctor and straight home. So I thought we were gonna go grocery shopping and that, but my husband isn't feeling the greatest, so I'm eating me an egg sandwich. I made this spiced coffee, but I don't know if there's like little black things in it, so I'm almost convinced it is grounds, coffee grounds. I don't know, which can sometimes happen. Let's see. Whatever. If I don't like it, I'll make a different one. But yeah. So at her doctor's appointment, she just said she has an upper respiratory infection, and you know, obviously it'll clear up on its own. But the cough syrup that the first doctor prescribed for her, I forgot what it was, but they were out of it, so we haven't gotten it. It's available now, like for pickup for her, you know, her prescription. And I told that to the doctor, and she was like, well, it's actually not very good to give children, especially her size and age, just because it has effects on the heart. And she was like, for her, you know, size and age, I would recommend Highlands or Zerbies. Is that what it's called? ZB? I don't know. I think I've saw it before. It's like the natural, like it's just like honey. So what are you doing? Anyway, she's like, so if you want to go with something, I would go with Highlands or, you know, the ZBs, Zerbies, I can't think of it. And then she was like, so, you know, she has a little heart murmur. Has anyone ever told you that? And I was like, no. I was like, when she was in utero, she had an arrhythmia. So I don't know. I don't know what that's all about. She's like, well, a lot of times, you know, they'll just clear up. And she's like, and sometimes it'll just kind of come and go. Sometimes, you know, you might be able to hear it. Sometimes you might not. She's like, it's just something, you know, just to tell next time she has her checkup, just to have them listen a little closer to her heart. So I'm like, okay. But she said her ear was still pink, but to continue with her antibiotics, and, you know, all of this is just, you know, from the ear infection into her sinuses coming. They're all connected. So anyway, we're all good. And I am going to eat, edit, and I figure I'll go back down to work probably next hour or so. I'm going to try to get several orders done. What are you doing? I made eggs for Journey, and I made myself a sandwich. And Winnie just came in here and was sniff in the air and she took off, so. Anyway, let me eat. Hey guys, look at this hair. Oh, I was like, oh, I should vlog. I didn't vlog yet. I did vlog, but it was earlier. So I ended up laying on the couch with Journey. I dozed off for a little bit. So that's a problem. Anyway, I've been down here working all afternoon and it's dinner time. I need to go. So I thought we were gonna go grocery shopping after the doctor's office, but my husband's not feeling well. So I ended up, I had some stew meat. So I just threw that in a crock pot and I threw some stuff in there to make a gravy, like a beef tips. And we have some rice. So I'm just gonna serve that over rice and maybe I don't know, I gotta figure out something for the girls because they're not big. I mean, they'll eat rice, but they're not really big on, like, you know. And I am wearing this shirt again. So I do have a different shirt like I could have wore today, but I just wanted to wear this one. So we're doing a repeat of this one because I love it. And the one Jess sent me, I want to save it for the weekend. So but I'll wear a different one tomorrow, a different Christmas shirt tomorrow. There was something I was thinking about. Oh, so an update on the aprons. You guys know my apron dilemma. The company finally reached back after I sent them like 4 or 5 emails. 5, I think it was 5. And they were like, let me read it to you, because I'm like, what? So this is supposed to be in USA. Oh, I'm in the wrong, hold on. I'm in the wrong messages. No wonder why I wasn't getting any messages today. I was in the wrong email. Anyway, I don't think I deleted it. Hold on. Stick with me here. Stick with me. Okay. 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 So, I'm going to read it word for word. Yes, we have sky blue. Okay, this is like, no, there isn't any, they must be missing punctuation on their keyboard because they don't have any whatsoever. Let's see. Yeah. There's no punctuation other than commas. So it says, yes, we have, because I asked them if they had sky blue to replace the small turquoise. Yes, we have sky blue. Tell me what you need and we will ship it. We are not good yet. After COVID, we couldn't get to a good inventory level and we are understaffed. Some of the girls didn't come back, so it's bad. We hope 202 will catch up. Sorry for the trouble. It's been bad time for us. And we're trying. We try to ship what we can, and most people for parties agree it's not big issue. Sorry again, we're trying. After this holiday season, we will catch up. Sorry, Donnie. Tell me what you need. I will ship it. Thank you, Donnie. I'm like, not be showing that.
What?
This one right here.
Oh, sis, I can't see your butt. What?
What? See her butt.
Boo? Uh-huh.
Oh, Boo's butt.
Yeah, she like what? She does wiggle wiggle. My butt does the wiggle wiggle anymore. Wait, Mom. No, it's
This one.
I'm trying to same. Mom, I ruined her.
You need a what?
Yes.
Dad, look, I found. She found.
I hope you get cheese.
No.
Please be cheese.
Honolulu. Mom,
What is it?
I wanted you to put two of them on there. Wait, let me see if I'm strong to get this one out.
Okay, but if we do get that one out, we gotta put it in the other hole. You don't get both of them. Is it bronze?
Working?
Is it bronzer? What is it?
It says bronzer. Hey, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try a little bit. Is it working?
Did you hear that?
Yes, girl. It's right behind you.
Wow.
It's right behind you.
I got a nail file.
Mom.
What? Oh, well, you have to get it.
Wait, where's my other
Right here.
Wait, no.
Right here.
I can't open it. Yeah. Yes.
What did she get?
Yeah.
What is that? Is it a crown? What is it?
Really something. I'm usually the one making breakfast.
Necklace?
That's good.
I don't know. Let's try it. Say it on, Mom.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I already had this one.
I got a full 40 minutes. And I have time to cook.
Filet cinnamon roll. Wonder if it's just repeating. Because if it's just repeating, I'll have another one of the Christmas cookie that I liked.
Mom, I can't put it on. Mom, it's a sweater for her neck. Mom, put it on.
What is it?
It's a bra.
She got a bra? Let me see.
It's pretty. I want to take it off. Ow. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.